Weche mago mamoko mago ma bende mulo sekta no mano mar thieth wayudo kanyo ni jokanyo no mago mantiere sekta mar thieth ka okalo kuom matend riwruogno gisani oyango ni gibiro bedo ka gichako ayanga ng'anyo margi kaluwore kod moko kuom ng'ur mago ma bende gintiere godo ma nyaka sani pok ochopi kare. Kane gitwak kod jofwamb weche, jotelo mago mag riwruogno ne owacho ni ne gichiwo kanyo notis mano mar ndalo 14 to kata kamano nyaka gisani onge moro amora ma bende kete maino. Parni okang' makama en mano ma bende biro miyo chenrogo mago mag thieth biro bedo kod rochruok e pacho kae mangima.
We have been on this issue for the UHC staff for more than 6 years. We pushed the parliament to allocate resources. It is not, there was no government willing, no government officer was willing to provide that fund. We had to go on strike to provide those resources. Now that there is money, we will also ensure that we push them to do the right thing, because now they are behaving like wheelbarrow.
We came out after giving a 14-day strike notice. And we were giving the 14-day strike notice so that we give ample time to our governors to make up their minds and do the right thing. A week ago, we came here to remind them that time was running out, just to see whether there is some humanity left in them so that they can do the right thing. And today it is very unfortunate to come here and say, because of neglect and inaction by our county governments and by extension the county governors who are the CEOs of those counties, health workers have started their strike today from midnight.